Good morning, Rich Nass, Executive Vice President with Open Systems Media. I am here with Roy Wan. He is the Managing Director of ADLINK. How you doing, Roy?
Hey, I'm doing great. How about you?
A little tired, had a late night last night, but pretty good overall. One of the things I found about ADLINK is that you guys seem to have built up this ecosystem that is pretty, I was going to say interesting, that's probably not the right word, formidable.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm a developer, what does that mean to me, the fact that you have this really strong ecosystem?
Right. So from ADLINK perspective, we are really looking to of the application side into the real need of vertical markets. So that's how we really getting interaction with our customers.
Okay.
So from that, we do see all of the different kind of a need. So we're talking about probably with like autonomous driving. So currently people are talking about couch PC to be used in this kind of area. But we're also coming from like a small like IoT gateway. So this can be like a connecting small devices, but low power. In terms of development, so some of our developers, they are really looking to what kind of things we can offer to them. We tend to form this kind of an ecosystem with our partners to make sure that we address specific need for different type of applications. So yeah, so we are working with Intel, we're working with NVIDIA. You can imagine the difference between the silicons they are offering, and with some AI capability, and we also work with ARM. We work with like Qualcomm and MediaTek. They all have a different type of expertise. They have their strength from their silicon, and that also refers to a different level of software readiness.
Right.
Yeah. So when our customer they pick up something new, if that's maybe Wintel, that can be easier for a lot of developer. But if at least we are talking about ARM plus kind of Linux RT, that can be painful.
And then you throw NVIDIA into the mix and it gets even more painful. I don't know if painful is the right word. Complex is the right word.
Yeah.
But you mentioned two applications. The gateway is back here. Autonomous drive is way up here in terms of complexity and the compute power that you need. And you guys have that ecosystem that stretches all the way through?
Yes. So so we also have developing, so many of the things for autonomous driving, they are still in the developing phase. We are working with multiple software companies in Japan, in China, over here in Europe. So they are offering different level of software stack associated with autonomous driving. One part of ADLINK's spin-off with Zetascale, so they are providing DDS as part of this core technology for autonomous cars. So that's those are small pieces of elements we are trying to put together for autonomous side. But like for ARM type of stuff, we are going with ARM for this ARM system ready software stacks, everything. So so that means when our customers they want to try something, the entry barrier is really low.
Very good. Thank you very much, Roy.
Yeah. Thank you, Rich.
Roy Wan, ADLINK, and I'm Rich Nass with Open Systems Media.